the idea? That didn't take too long, did it? Well, one time I don't have to use the time lapse, eh? Gotta be careful of those shingles, that's for sure. All right, I'm gonna move it to the other side. All right, a little torching, a little sanding. We got the failed deer imprint off. Now we're gonna stain this sucker. All right, there she is, all stained and torched. Don't know what I'm gonna do about the door yet. Does look a little too new relative to the rest of it. Haven't decided yet what to do about the door. Probably gonna let it just age on its own. It'll blend in eventually. Now I'm gonna do the floor for the steam sauna, then do a little trim, then next thing will be the heater.